It's a bad man thing.
What's up, loves? Welcome back to the channel. Wigs to Wasteland here, and as you can tell, your girl is a little barefaced today. So this is actually going to be a get ready with me chit chat. I did one and I figured, you know what, let's do another. So let's get right into this. I give a big shout out to all you cosmetics, and especially Marcy, for being so patient with me and being understanding. A special place in my heart for small businesses. So if you are interested in any of the products that I use from her company, I will leave a direct link to her website down below. So the first thing I'm going to start with is this color corrector that I have been using since forever. And this is by Hard Candy. This is their Skin Imperfection Neutralizer. And it's in, I guess, the color orange. It's the first thing that we can always start with is the channel. I really don't have any updates. You guys know we are 4K to 20K. That's more like 3K right now to that 20K milestone. So as always, share the video, share the channel, hint hint, share this video. I am definitely looking to branch out and do more things. I need some excitement. So that is that. I will still continue with the wig reviews, of course, but I will definitely be branching off into makeup slowly but surely. Next, I'm going to follow up with this new foundation that I'm using. I just recently switched, and this is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And I have this in the color Coconut. And of course, I definitely want to thank all of you for all of the support on this channel. I think another thing I wanted to talk about was something a little bit more uplifting than what I talked about last time. And as you guys know, I'm no pro. I'm no makeup guru. I do what works for me. Okay, boo-boo? So, one thing that I've realized is that I am very pessimistic. And I'm really trying to break out of that pessimism by getting rid of my can'ts. If you're familiar with Casey Neistat, I think that's how you say his name. He has this motto that he goes by, and it's do what you can't. So next I'm going to go in with this Bye Bye Under Eye, and this is by IT Cosmetics. This is their full coverage anti-aging waterproof concealer, and I have it in the color Deep Rich. Now this stuff is really tricky. I have not learned how to master this concealer. And you will definitely see why in a minute. So I have struggled with dark circles most of my adult life, and this has always been a struggle, finding a concealer with enough coverage that will not make it look like a spotlight on my face. So I would love to get your ideas. What are your beauty hacks? How do you conceal your dark circles? So just let me know in the comments down below. So now I'm going to go in with this brush, and I believe this is by a Walmart brand. I can't remember because it is rubbed off, but this is what it looks like. So of course, as some of you know, this is in the past So I've actually gotten a little bit better with the makeup game, and I definitely want to give my girl Aya All Day a big shout out. She has been my go-to for any makeup questions. So yeah, I've been bugging her nonstop, and she has been so genuine and so sweet about it. So if you are not familiar with her channel, I would definitely leave a link to her channel in the description box down below. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender again and try to blend out the rest of this concealer. I actually had to shorten this blending time. It does take a while before this concealer actually blends in really good, but once it does, the payoff is actually pretty good. So as I was saying, Casey Neistat has this wonderful mantra logo, whatever you want to call it, that he goes by. It's basically saying, do what you can't. Don't place limits on yourself. Don't keep yourself in that box that we tend to think society puts us in, when in actuality, we just put ourselves in it and we don't realize it. And it got me thinking, what if all those others said can't? What if Jackie Ina said, I can't do this, I'm too dark? If you follow Garner style, what if she said, I'm too much of a BBW? No shade to her, because I think she is beautiful. I absolutely love her style. But I think you guys know what I'm talking about. That standard of beauty and that standard of perfection that society tends to put on us. I just challenge you guys to find what you are good at, what's your talent, and stop saying you can't. Screw that box, screw society, and do you, boo-boo. So I think that's about as blended as I'm going to get with this concealer. So next I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow by MAC. This eyeshadow is in the color Stylishly Mary. I will be branching off into different colors, trying new things, you know, just to open my eyes to something new. Guess who found her transition shade? Yes, baby. So like I said, I've gotten way better. If you're interested in more detailed makeup videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below. So I believe this is an eyeshadow, and I think that's the one thing, that's probably the only thing I kind of just have fault with, is they're not labeled whether or not they're eyeshadow, lipsticks. It just kind of helps. So never mind, it's at the bottom. Read, Tamika. So it does say eyeshadow or blush. So this is in the color Purple Mix. It looks like it comes with a low protective cover. You've got 3 holes there. So here is Stylishly Mary, and I really hope my camera picks that up. This is a loose eyeshadow by her company. Let's see. And here is the purple. OMG. Now I hope my camera is not picking up blue, but that is such a beautiful, oh my god, that is such a beautiful purple. I'm a real stickler when it comes to my purples, and I'm very picky over the purples that I usually choose, and this is, oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful. I'm not gonna put too much. I think I'm just gonna put it in a corner just to see. I absolutely love this purple. Oh. Ow. Okay, so now I'm going to follow up with this highlighter, and this is by MAC. This is from their Hyper Real Glow palette, and this is the palette here. And I'm gonna go in. Man, they make this look easy. So I'm gonna go in with this color here. And that's one thing about this palette I didn't like, is it had a little plastic thing for the names. So of course I had to throw that away. It kept falling out. So I have no idea what the name of this color is. I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner, and this is by e.l.f. and this is in the color Jet Black. Hooded eyes are a pain, and it has taken me so long to figure out how to line mine. How do you line yours? If you have hooded eyes, let me know in the comment section down below. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so hard on camera. Yay! I know we bougie and all, but don't act like you don't know about that 99-cent special mascara. Girl, you better recognize. I'm going to follow up with this Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer by IT Cosmetics, and I am going to go under my eye. I would love to know what it is that you have told yourself you can't do. Whatever you have told yourself you can't do, I want you to drop it in the comment section for me. And I want you to say, I can. What is your can? I would love to know in the comment section. Now on that box don't exist. Here we go with that blending again. I told you this concealer, it works wonders, but it is such a pain to blend. So I do follow up with my Fit Me powder in 40 Deep, and that does tend to help control the shininess of this concealer. Now don't get me wrong, I do love the concealer. I just wish I knew how to blend it properly. So if you have any suggestions for a concealer that will conceal these raccoon eyes, let me know down below. I'm going to follow up with my Fit Me powder in 40 Deep. And just FYI, I do use this powder sometimes on my wig parts. However, sometimes it can come off a little red. But, you know, it's a pretty good powder. Now, what's a girl without some blush? This is MAC's blush in the color Fever. So now using this angle brush by Beauty Accents, I'm going right back in with my highlighter to, of course, finish off my cheekbones, baby. And guess who picked up that new highlighter by Juvia's Place? Me! So I have this in the color Nefertiti. Now, the one thing I don't like about this highlighter is the fact that it is a loose powder. One small move and it does come all the way to the top. So I do have a lot of powder on the top. I have no way of shaking it back in. Trust me, I've tried. And voila, there you go. Light hand is so important for this. So now let me try to fix this. So Miss Marcy was also kind enough to send me a lip exfoliator scrub. It is absolutely a wonderful, wonderful smell. So this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna take some of this. Speaking of lips, just in case you're wondering, I bite my lips something terribly. Yes, I know I shouldn't. But you know, everyone has a bad habit. And mine is biting my lips. And unfortunately, I have bit that little sucker right into my lip. So anything that can help my lips, I'm all for it. So looking at these, I think I am going to go in with the gloss and this mauve color. So wish me luck. Definitely more of a red on my lips. I think I'm going to try, let's try putting this on top. This is definitely more of a natural look. This is more of a like naked nude type of gloss. So I'm actually gonna finish this look up. I'm gonna apply my lashes and then I'll come back. And here we are with the finished look. Big shout out to All You Cosmetics for sending over these wonderful products. If you are interested in checking out her store, then definitely check the link in the description box down below. Of course, don't forget to wear it with confidence, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.